ingane yakho. Umfana wakho lona omthanda ngakho at the age of 17 njobe iburuza nje. Sinento leThekwini esibiza ukuthi ama-collar boy. Abafana lapho. Bala ku Victoria Embankment, Acute Street, Albany, uyabathola lapho. Wehlwe point uyabathola lapho. Florida uyabathola lapho. Devonport uyabathola, Umhlanga uyabathola, Gateway lapha phezulu uyabathola ama-collar boy. Umfana wakho uzoba i-collar boy. Uma i-collar boy umfana ngicela ukuthi ungayichazi lento ngoba izophazamisa abantu abaningi. It because okwenza ukuthi ingane yakhe ibe i-collar boy, it because wena baba as a father you traded them ngabo, udayisile ngabo, usabile into ezenziwa ontanga benu, ubugxeka yonke into. Today this is what yabona ingane emi-collar boy phinde iganwe leyangane ngoba iyalimala ingqondo yana nemizwa iyalimala. Ama-collar boy awenza into ejwayelekile. Ungaphinde ingane yakho uhlale nawe ibize ngondodana. Engisho ukuthi kunezinto ingane zethu ezenzayo namakhosikazi agcina ezenza. Angazenziswa ukuthi bathazenziswa ukuthi ubaba has been a craven person. Ube uyigwala, uyusabile izinto. Kungcono ukuthi uthathe into kodwa wazi ukuthi uma uhamba uzoshiyela ingane yakho nezinto ezinama-assets are right. Ezinama-assets are right. Have asset as a man. Not ukuthi have golf 7 as a man. No. Sikhuluma ngani. Imoto is not an asset that you can talk about asset. Anganyakazi. Have flats, have houses. As a man. But awukwazi ukwenza lokho because uyasaba. Awukwazi ukwenza lokho because uyasaba. Because I understand, once you reach 55 years old, you become very cheap with employment chain. Once you become 60 years old, you become very cheap. Very cheap. Wena sengakuthatha mina instead of ngikunika u300 ngosuku, sengakuthatha ngithi nayi umfile zokunika u80 uhambe. Ngokazi abamushadelo wagcina lapha yana. Uthathe nalododo ubeke lapha mekufela abadodo bahambe. Then sungasusa nje ukhula lapha. Sungasusa lokhulu ngapha sikhuluma. And zamani ukuthi nimenzele mjwah. Zama ukuthi bakwenzele into ozoyidla ungahamba ungadlanga. Ngizama ukuthi liyashisa ke ilanga namhlanje. Liyashisa ke ilanga namhlanje. Sebenza kodwa wazi ukuthi liyashisa ilanga. Imali yakho uzoyithatha manje indaba ungayithatha after 10 days waphela uzobe seku 800 le mali. Indaba ungayithatha hey wona uzomayazi ungangisiza mengiyithatha isumthamo. Umthamo o80 rand about 10.